Hey, what's going on? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Philips DVD VCR combo to show you. The model number of it is DVP3150V. This thing's pretty basic. It'll play back your VHS tapes and DVDs perfectly. It's a very reliable device as well. So to start, on your rear panel, you've got your composite audio video output, your composite audio video input, that's for recording. You've got your component output for DVD playback only, that's for better picture. You've got S-video, your analog output, and then coaxial digital audio for connecting to a sound system. And then you've got your tuner input and output if you want to record cable TV. So when connecting it, just match up the red, white, and yellow cable to the back of your DVD VCR. Make sure you connect it to the outputs, not the inputs. And then once you've got everything plugged in, you should get a signal to your TV just fine. Insert a VHS tape and a DVD, and playback will begin. And then with the remote, you can toggle which function you want to do, DVD or VCR. You've got your menu button if you need to set the clock or record something, and then you can change other settings as well. And then you've got fast rewind, you've got fast forward, and then you've got regular rewind and forward. And then you can switch to the DVD and watch that as well. But that's pretty much it. You can play back your DVDs and your VHS tapes. And also, real quick, a fun fact for you. Did you know that they once came out with a DVHS tape which actually plays in 1080i as opposed to this is 480i? It's pretty impressive that they're able to do that with an actual VHS, with a VHS tape, and it actually plays through HDMI output. So those are pretty cool. But if you want to order one of these, you can check it out on our online store, or you can give us a call.